All right, you ready for some rock and roll? You ready to get up and boogie woogie? You ready to get up and dance? You ready to get up and shake the jewelry around a little bit? Ready to do a little bit of shaking? We got the bull by the horns, yeah. We're big, oh, a lot of shaking going on. I said, now shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Ooh, shake it, oh, baby, shake it. Come on, shake it, oh, baby, shake it. Come on over. Oh, a lot of shaking going on, going on, going on. Shakers in the box, the firewood by my bow. Come on out, girl. We got the bull by the horns, yeah. We're big, oh, a lot of shit going on. I said, now shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Ooh, shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Come on over. Oh, a lot of shit going on. Yeah. Don't say, don't say. Baby, shake. You gotta shake it one time for me. Hit like I'm on a lot of shaking going on. Now, traditionally, this is the part of the song where somebody would tell you how to shake it. They'd get up here and they'd tell you gotta stand in one spot and do all that silly stuff. But I'm not gonna do that for you today. Because we're all grown-ups, we know how to shake it, right? We don't need instructions to know how to do that. Besides, you've heard it 100 times before. Now, I'm not gonna tell you how to shake it, but I might tell you how to hold it. I might tell you how to talk real nice to it. Maybe take it out to dinner or something. But you don't need to know how to shake it. But I gotta tell you right now, honey, if you ain't got it right now, and you ain't got it by the end of the song, then honey, you ain't never gonna get it.